Hello everyone. Today, Chile celebrates its National Day. On 18th of September, 1810, Chile's Primera Junta National de Gobierno, First National Assembly, made the first step toward independence, sparking the start of the Chilean movement to becoming a sovereign nation. Today's Google Doodle honors Chile's National Day, or Fiestas Patrias, with a depiction of the South American nation's official animal, the huemul deer. Indigenous to the Southern Andean regions of Chile and Argentina, the huemul, also known as the South Andean deer, is the rarest mammal found within the Chilean borders. A sighting of one of these elusive creatures in nature is a rare and special occurrence, but it can always be seen on the Chilean Coat of Arms, alongside its fellow mountain dweller, the Andean condor. Happy National Day, Chile. Thank you all for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe to Footprints for more videos.